Materials. Exercise. Question number A. Look at the picture on page number 41. This is the picture on page number 41. Talk about it with your teacher. We can see in the picture many things. Some are living thing and some are non-living thing. We can see bird. Bird is living thing. Boat. Boat is non-living thing. And man. Man is living thing. Cow. Cow is living thing. Tree. Tree is living thing. But breeze. Breeze is not living thing. Breeze is non-living thing. House. House is non-living thing. Train. Train is non-living thing. Name the living and non-living things you can see. We can see here many things. Some are living things as man, living thing, bird, living thing, cow, living thing, tree, living thing, and breeze is non-living thing. House is non-living thing. Train is non-living thing. Here car is non-living thing. Boat is non-living thing. Number B. Make a table as shown below in your scrapbook. Write the words in the correct column in the table. This column is for man-made thing. We will write down here man-made thing. And in this column, right side, natural things. Okay. A mountain. A mountain. An apple, a chair, a bangle, book, a cat, a stone, and a cloud. Okay, we can see there mountain. Mountain is natural thing. Apple. Apple is natural thing. Chair. Chair is non-living thing. A bangle. Bangle is non-living thing. Book is non-living thing or man-made thing. All these are man-made thing. Cat, natural thing. A stone, natural thing. A cloud is natural thing. Number B. Make a table as shown below in your scrapbook. Write words in the correct columns in the table. Rain, a car, a pin, wood, coal, knife, glass, and a pencil. So at first, rain. Rain is natural things. A car. Car is man-made thing. Next, pin. Pin is man-made thing. Next, wood. Wood is natural thing. Coal. Coal is natural thing. Knife. Knife. Knife is man-made things. Glass. Glass is man-made things. A pencil. Pencil is man-made thing. It will be here man-made thing. It's mistakenly written here. It will be man-made thing, a pencil. Number C. Which natural things are these made from? Which natural things are these man-made from? Are made from? There may be more than one answer. There may be more than one answer for each thing. A box. a blouse, a belt, and bread. Bread. Box is made from wood. Blouse. Blouse is made for cotton. Made from cotton. Belt is made from leather. And bread is made from flour. Box is made from wood. Blouse is made from cotton. Belt is made from leather. And bread is made from flour. Question number D. Talk about your answer. Then choose one of man-made things. Tell the others what you have chosen. Can they say what it is made of? A box is made of wood, plastic, steel, iron, etc. A box is made of wood. A box is made of plastic. A box is made of steel. And a box is made of iron. Here at first, wooden box, plastic box, steel box, and iron box. Number E. Tell your teacher in your own words. What is the difference between a living thing and a non-living thing? What is the difference between a non-living thing and a non-living thing? Living things have life. Living things have life, but non-living things have no life. Living things can move, but non-living things cannot move. Living things can eat, but non-living things cannot eat. Living things have death, but non-living things have no death. Number F. In this list, there is one odd things. In this list, there is a odd thing. Put a circle around the odd thing. Here is the line. Here is the list. A man, a flower, your leg, tomato, pencil. Which one is odd? Here, pencil is odd because pencil has no life. Tomato has life, leg has life, flower has life, and man has life. All these are living thing, but pencil is not living thing. So we will put a circle around pencil. Here mug, beetle, table, shoe, pillow. Mug, beetle, table, shoe, pillow. Here beetle. Beetle is living thing, but mug, table, shoe, pillow, all are non-living thing. So we will make a circle around bottle. Puppy, fly, snail, train, leaf. Here train is odd because train has no life, and puppy, fly, snail, leaf all have life. Belt, clock, breeze, rock, bicycle. Here rock is odd because rock is natural thing. Rock is natural thing, but belt is man-made thing, clock is man-made thing, breeze is man-made thing, and bicycle is man-made thing, but rock is natural thing. Question number G. Which of these things are solid? Which of these things are solid? Which are liquid? Put the solid things in the trunk and the liquids in the bottle. A silver. Rock, B number rock, C number petrol, and D number coal. E number milk, honey, metal, and paint. Silver, rocks, petrol, coal, milk, honey, metal, and paint. Plastic, oil, syrup, juice. Plastic, oil, syrup, juice. Water, blood, tears, bricks. Water, blood, tears, bricks. Here a trunk and a bottle. So we will keep the solid things in the trunk. Silver is solid. Rocks is solid. Petrol is liquid. Coal is solid. Milk is liquid. Honey is liquid. Metal is solid. Paint is liquid. Then plastic is solid. Oil is liquid. Syrup is liquid. Juice is liquid. Water is liquid. Blood is liquid. Tears is liquid. Bricks is solid. Fill in the table. Living things and non-living things. Chair, brother, money, monkey, pencil, potato, beetle, leg, and bush. Cup, teacher, knife, and stamp. Mr. Singh, ant, twig, star, apple, leaf, fan, and cloud. So we will fill up the table here. Chair, at first chair is living thing or non-living thing? Chair is non-living thing. Brother is living thing. Monkey is living thing. Pencil is non-living thing. Potato is living thing. Beetle, living thing. Leg, living thing. Bush, living thing. Cup, non-living thing. Teacher, living thing. Knife, non-living thing. Stamp, non-living thing. Mr. Singh, living thing. Ant, living thing. Twig, living thing. Star, non-living thing. Apple, living thing. Leaf, living thing. Fan, non-living thing. And cloud, also non-living things. Goodbye, chapter 6. Subscribe our channel, like, comment, and share.